Hey guys, welcome to my ultimate gaming setup. All right, before we go ahead, let's go ahead and thank Best Buy for sponsoring a part of this video where you can pick up a lot of the cool items you see here, and of course, some of the gaming stuff we'll be showing. Now, as I mentioned, this is my ultimate gaming setup. This is my space at home where I get to game, both on a console as well as also on PC. Plus, I've got all my comic books and knickknacks, which you'll get to see. But before we even waste any more time, let's go ahead and check out my gaming desk setup. So this is my gaming desk setup area. Now, the reason I like this desk is because it's small enough to fit in this nook area that I have. But I've got a couple of things on this desk I really like. I try to keep it as clutter-free as possible. Starting off with my Anker charger that I use to MagSafe charge my 13 Pro Max and now my 14 Pro Max. I've also got a Spigen charger here that I use to charge my Apple Watch Series 7, eventually the Series 8 once I get it in. Now, this is the Sony M9 monitor. I reviewed this. I definitely love this monitor. 32 inches, fits on this desk pretty well. It's a 4K monitor, 144 Hertz, great for gaming. Now, I do have some little knickknacks here. This is a cable management a buddy of mine gave to me as a birthday gift. It's got all my superheroes that I like. Now, in terms of audio, I use the EPOS GTW270 True Wireless Buds. I like it because it's got a Bluetooth dongle you connect to your PC, and these are True Wireless Buds that do really well for gaming as well. So I can use it for gaming, I can chat with friends, all that fun stuff. Now, my keyboard and mouse are both from Logitech. I have the Logitech G915 TKL. I love TKL keyboards. This is a wireless keyboard with light speed, great connectivity to your PC for your gaming needs. And then of course the G305 gaming mouse, small, compact, works really well. My mouse pad I got from Intel. This is from Intel Gamer Day. I like it because it's just big and also it's got some really rad designs. When it comes to my gaming PC, this is brought to you by our video sponsor, Best Buy. And I've been using these two machines for quite a while. I'm talking about the HP Omen 40L gaming desktop, as well as also the HP Omen 16.1 QHD gaming laptop. Now, I really love using both machines, especially just to game, whether I'm gaming here at my desk or I'm using my laptop to actually, of course, do some gaming as well. Now, I like them because both products are IEM certified and powered by 12th gen Intel Core processors. So what does that actually mean? Well, it means that each IEM certified PC must meet certain specs across CPU, storage, RAM, and GPU to qualify for, of course, the Intel Extreme Masters Tournament. And that is indicated by the gold Intel sticker you see on the HP Omen gaming desktop and the HP Omen gaming laptop. Now, for me, this means that I can, of course, game like a pro. I'm getting fast speeds, I'm getting great performance, as well as getting the best graphics performance with my NVIDIA RTX GPU in my HP Omen gaming desktop, or even the 165 Hz display on the HP Omen gaming laptop. So head over to bestbuy.com if you want to game like a pro with a IEM certified PC to ensure you're getting the same components and high-end Intel technology that your favorite athletes and teams are using on the main stage during the Intel Extreme Masters Tournament. Now let's go ahead and check out some of my awesome comic book collection and the other stuff on the other side of the room. All right, so this is where I have a collection of a bunch of stuff. Let's start off from the top. That's a lot of comic books right there. And that is also the box that I collected my Optimus Prime, if you saw it on my TikTok. Now, I'm a big Voltron fan, and this is my die-cast Voltron, which I kind of damaged, so I'm just kind of keeping them up there. Then I've got a few comic books here. And you're probably wondering what that Wonder Woman 84 tin is doing there. Well, I wasn't a big fan of the movie, but that actually is a great looking tin. Now, I've got a few comic books here as well. This is like the DC section. That's kind of like the Marvel section up there. I do have my Hero Academia All Might. And I decided to go with Vegeta here just because I would go with Goku, but I needed someone a little different. Now, these stack of comic books are the ones that I really like. So this is my reprint of The Death of Superman. I have some special collector's editions. This is not the original, of course, but I've got comic books like that here that I kind of keep separate that I can always just go through and check out. As you can see, they're all in sleeves and all that fun stuff. Now, over here, I've got my Audio-Technica turntable. I've got like the Sonos connector, and then this is, of course, an amp, so I can listen to my headphones. As you can see, I do have the original, the Batman animated LP, as well as the Batman v Superman, and some other cool ones as well, some old school LPs right here. Now, when we move over here, I've got this awesome Master Chief, controller holder for my Xbox controller. And for my consoles, which we'll see in a second, I use the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless. I use it for both my Xbox and my PlayStation 5 at the same time. And this here is my Sony headphones. These are high-end headphones. I kind of listen to music once in a while, especially if I just want to use them and not disturb anyone in the house. And what you're seeing here is quite interesting. This is something completely different. This is a remote control for a smart fan up there. Why it's a smart fan is because you can have the remote, but you can also use voice assistants like Lady A, I wouldn't say her name yet because she's here, as well as also Google Assistant to control the fan. So I can control the lights, I can also control the fan speed, and they also have an app where you can actually manually toggle between, of course, the speed of the fan, the light, of course, intensity and all that fun stuff. Pretty great. It's from Hunter Fans, and they've got different models in their Simple Connect fans, and this is one of them here that I definitely like. Now, of course, the Tour de Resistance is my Optimus Prime. I unboxed this. This is the one from Robertson that has the box up there. This bad boy is pretty cool, of course, with voice activation. And then right up here is my Batman signal, which you saw that when you walked right into the room. And that has two different toggles. You can actually switch between the bat signal and also this Batman figurine. Then over there, I have my NZXT microphone. I kind of keep the mic there because I don't use it all the time at home. So whenever I need it, I just pull up to my desk and then go ahead and start using that. I've got a basketball there from Google when I went and visited them at their new store in Brooklyn. And that's pretty much this section for you. Now let's go ahead and check out some of the gaming consoles and the TV because I really like this section right here. So this is the TV stand. It's a bit compact. I like it for this room space and size. One of the things I do like about the stand is this closed mesh gate here where I have my console. So I've got my PlayStation 5 here and I've got my Xbox Series S at home. I know some of you are thinking, why not Xbox Series X? The S really works out well, which is fine. As I did mention, I'm using the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro, and this is the hub here, switches between the Xbox and the PlayStation 5. I definitely like it for that. I've got storage for other stuff down here. Not too important. Moving over to the other side, here I've got a couple of things. So I've got my Xbox controller, I've got my Stadia controller if I need to use Stadia, PlayStation 5 controllers. I've got the white one and I've got like the red one here, and I've got the charging hub right behind. Now, I also have some controllers here. So this is a controller for the Xbox for entertainment controller. This is a controller for the Samsung Freestyle projector. And then I also have some comic books here below. And here's the Freestyle, as I mentioned. So this is a projector I use once in a while within the home. And then there's just the box for the EPOS GTW270 hybrid. Now, the main attraction here, of course, is the TV and the soundbar. First off, this is a Sonos soundbar. This is the Sonos Beam. I like the Beam because it's a very loud soundbar, especially for this room size or even a bigger room. This thing will just fill up the whole place, which is nice. But it's paired with my TV. Now, you guys have probably seen my unboxing of this TV. This is the LG Star Wars Edition C2 OLED. Now, LG made like about 500 plus of these TVs, And I like it because, of course, the back panel has Star Wars kind of just messaging around. Once you turn it on, it shows Darth Vader and his lightsaber. It also gives that sound. Your pointer is a lightsaber. It's got like Star Wars features on there as well, which is pretty cool. But honestly, this is a great TV to game on. So you're sitting down, it's an OLED TV. You've got some great colors, color balance. You've also got a game center that actually you can customize the way things look, especially for the games you want to play. It's super nice and it's pretty cool. That is my ultimate gaming room setup. And I will be upgrading it as we go along, so definitely stay tuned for more videos. And hopefully you enjoyed just the way it's actually set up. I forgot to mention the Philips Hue lights. I have different lights set up in different locations, one behind me, the gaming desk, the TV, by of course Optimus Prime, and I'll leave all those down below for you. Thanks again to Best Buy for sponsoring part of this video. Check out the links in my description to shop the HP Omen gaming laptop, HP Omen gaming desktop, or any of the other products featured in this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe guys, and always enjoy the entertainment.